So good. So, if you can see behind me, what a view! What a view here. We have traveled a lot. There is some source of water there. Normal spring here. The Yama. So hey guys, this is day 3 in Wales and we are exploring the mountain ranges in the Wales here. And if you can see, the view all around is amazing. Amazing. We are going for a forest trail, a mountain trail, but we have stopped for a while just to have a look. And then this is amazing. And these spring water flowing downhill from the mountain Penway Fan, and these are naturally spring water. And from here we are heading to Waterfall Country, which is a collection of waterfalls driving on these beautiful endless roads with endless mountain sightings, amazing views. There's especially sheep dotted hills. These make these journeys like more memorable, and this is one of the best road trips I have ever taken. Of course, it is one of the best in the UK, and I'm pretty sure this will make you feel come here and enjoy this road trips. Just have a look around the nature. It's really magical. So we have reached Waterfall Country in South Wales, and we're gonna do some trekking for some time. And also it's mid-afternoon and we are starving, so we're gonna wait here and we're gonna order some food, and we're gonna have some few drinks here, and we'll have a beer, and then we're gonna head off to the Four Waterfall Walks. And just this place is beautiful, decorated, beautiful ambience, nice British gastro pub, and I mean just look at it. They've maintained such a beauty at their place. It's really appreciated. And here comes the beer, guys. This is special Welsh brewed beer, and it's a lager. And hey, third day at Wales. Yes, sewer. And trust me, that's how boys' trips are meant to be. And here comes the food, guys.
Have you got some salt in there?
Ooh.
Yeah, salt and peppers in the bottom, and then the sauces and everything.
Lovely, thank you so much. Thank you.
Lovely. Traditional Welsh flavored burger.
Wales.
Wales. We are going for a waterfall trek, and you can see it's all covered in the dense forest here, and this is coming from the top. Such a clear water.
Okay, guys. Finally, we are in the middle of the trek for the waterfall, and we have reached halfway, and still we have got some more way to cover, more of the path. But this is amazing travel, amazing spot, and this is how you're gonna get through the trail. And we are just going to climb up the cliff for that amazing, stunning waterfall. This place is called Waterfall Country, and it have got like good amount of trek. It's not hard, you just have to follow the trail, follow the leak, and then this is going to be it. And you can see there have been storms, there have been rain, and right now it's kind of sunny right now, so I don't think it's gonna take us long to reach over there. I guess we have reached there. There is no waterfall here, so we'll just try to find out which way to go. And this is one. Always be careful. After all the trekking, we have got our view for now, and there's this one, guys. Oh, since the season is gone, there is less water, but imagine getting a bath into this one. Oh, lovely. Just and one more last part of the trek. We go upstairs. There haven't been much of a rain, that's why the fountain have less of water. But imagine if the rain is on full flow. This is all filled up. Huh? Yeah. Imagine having a full rain, and then this will all. Whew, finally, guys, done there. Made it. After 2 days, this was the third day, and the blog for the third day would be, and this is going to end. This is the end of vlog for day 3. But whales have been good, so good, lovely, lovely.
Let's go.
And we are going back to our hotels.
And just we wanted to experience this scenic view on the Brecon Beacons National Park, and we were lucky to reach on time and enjoy this stunning, amazing sunset. I hope you like this video. Comment, subscribe to my channel for further updates around UK travels. This is it. This is Bihari Babu in England. See you until the next time. Thank you, guys.
Moving on till I get it all. And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be?